Okay, so we're sitting in a 2013 Dodge Dart, and today we're going to be, well, solving that. And so let me just pull that code up real quick. Plugs in right down here. Let's see what we got. All right, one code found. We got codes, stored codes. All right, we got a U1504. So that is an angle sensor code for a 2013 Dodge Dart. And so for today's episode, we're gonna show you guys how to remove that code. So first, you just wanna start the car up. All right. That going. And then you just want to turn the steering wheel from lock to lock. We're starting with left. We're going to do this 4 times. So we're going 1, whoop, 2, 3, 4. All right, set it back. All right, then we're just gonna turn it off. Wait a little bit. And you wanna go ahead and turn the power back on. All right, come down here to our code reader, and we're going to escape. And we're going to erase the codes. And yes, we do. Erase done. Sweet. All right, cool. So, let's see what happens. Let me start it up now. Woo! All gone. Yep, so that is clearing out the codes for the angle sensors on a 2013 Dodge Dart. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe to the show with all your friends. We have so much more coming up, including with this very Dodge Dart that I'm sitting in. We've got a whole bunch of stuff that we just installed on it. So make sure you're subscribed because it's all coming up on the series. So, yeah. Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, share the video, and we'll see you next time.